In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unsteady video footage in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. First, open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Import your shaky video by tapping the Import button and selecting your file. Once your video is imported, add it to the track. Let's preview the video to see the difference later after editing. Now, tap on the video layer to select it. Go to the toolbar. Find and tap Stabilize option. This tool helps smooth out shaky footage. Now, you'll see three stabilization levels: recommended, minimum cut, and most stable. The recommended is the default mode, balancing stability and minimal cropping. It is great for mild shakiness. Next is the minimum cut. This option minimizes cropping for slightly unsteady videos. The last one is the most stable. This level is best for highly shaky footage, but may crop your video more significantly. Choose the level that best suits your video. Tap it, and CapCut Pro will automatically process the stabilization. Once the processing is complete, play back your video to preview the result. If you're not satisfied, try another level or make adjustment to improve the outcome. When your video looks steady and smooth, tap the export button to save your stabilized video. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your unsteady footage using the Stabilize feature in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!